Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Global Chartist. So now this week we are again back with our sectoral analysis. Last week also I've shared my sectoral analysis on the all the sectors. So again I'm sharing my view. So now for Nifty 50, see I've shared last week that Nifty 50 has formed a hammer pattern on weekly chart. Now even I've told kid ab yahan se Nifty 50 there is a possibility we can see some upside. So see you can see that the upside has been seen, and the Nifty IT has closed at 17,354 and previously it was at 17,000. So we have seen almost 400 points upside. Now if somehow Nifty 50 crosses 17,470, so we will see 17,630 in the chart, and once 17,630 crosses we will see 18,100 in Nifty with the support at 16,400, which was the recent low, and one near support is at 17,000. So 17,000 support के साथ 17,470 is the nearby resistance. Once 17,470 crosses, अगर ये क्रॉस हो जाता है तो 17,630 we can see as per the technical pattern. Now for Bank Nifty also I have shared that Bank Nifty has given a close at trend line support. Last week video also you can check, those who have missed. So last week also I've shared the same chart analysis that the trend line support is visible. If the green candle will come, there is a possibility of more upside. Now see the another pattern which is in formation is like this. This is another trend line zone on weekly chart. So once 36,600 crosses, we can see a robust upside. But for the nearest resistance, if we talk about the nearest resistance, so the nearest resistance is visible at 35,650. So once 35,650 crosses, we can see upside towards 36,600. But अगर 36,600 क्रॉस हो जाता है, so that will be the double power for the bulls with the support at 34,000 rupees. 34,000 in the Bank Nifty. 34,000 के support के साथ we can continue our position in the Bank Nifty. Now next is Nifty Pharma, which I have shared that Nifty Pharma last week I have told कि Nifty Pharma ने अपना breakout को retest करा है. ठीक है, so it was a breakout retesting of cup and handle pattern. Even I have shared that it was a falling wedge pattern also. Falling wedge pattern breakout was also visible last week. That is why Nifty Pharma has shown a major upside this week. It was a 5% of upside in a single week. You can see the candle, more than 5%. So it is still in a bullish trend. And once now the next resistance is at 14,800 and 15,000. So 14,800 and 15,000 is the next resistance with the support at 13,400. Next is Nifty IT. Nifty IT I have shared last week that Nifty IT has given a breakout of flag and pole pattern. So which is the bullish pattern also. So as per the flag and pole pattern only it has performed this week, and it was a great upside we have seen. It is almost of 2.58% upside we have seen this week. It is in a still bullish trend. So any day if it closes below 36,900, then only it's a caution. Till then Nifty IT is bullish. Next is Nifty Metal. Nifty Metal I have shared that it is in a range bound zone. It is in a one single channel pattern from last few weeks, and still you can see it is another channel pattern only. And the plus point this week is it has formed a inside candle for this week. So this can be a trend setter. Once we will see a break breakout above 5600, once closes above 5600 in Nifty metal, we can see some kind of upside, but not much stronger. The stronger upside will be visible only in the case if closes above 5850 or 5860. Till then, it can be a minor upside we can see if closes above 5600, and the downside support is at 5150. 5150 and even 4990. These are the two supports for the Nifty metal. Nifty auto, same. I have shared last week that it has closed at the support with the formation of pin bar pattern. So pin bar pattern is the reversal pattern also I have shared in the last week video. Now Nifty auto has given a breakout again, and this breakout can lead to more upside, but only one scenario is there. See, Nifty auto is having a major support at 10,600. Currently it is trading at 10,936. So Nifty auto का जो support है वो अभी 10,600 पे है. Only problem is only the news which is in the market, that of this thing, lockdown. So if lockdown happens or some more restrictions, some guidelines will come from the government, so that will be related to shutdown of the showrooms. So if that happens, then only some hit possible. But as per the chart, if 11,200 crosses, then it's a more safe zone for the bulls. So if 11,200 crosses, then no problem for the bulls, and if reverses from 11,200, then be cautious on Nifty auto. Otherwise it is in a bullish zone as of now, as it has crossed a major resistance of 10,700. So Nifty energy, next is Nifty energy. See, Nifty energy, I've shared that it has reversed, that it has closed at the support, breakout retesting zone also, and even at the support. Last week the plus point of the video was maximum sectors has closed at their support. जो सारे sectors थे उसमें से काफ़ी sectors अपने support पे या breakout retesting zone पे ही close हुए थे. So Nifty energy भी उसमें से एक था. So Nifty energy, now you can see last week it has closed at the support and formed a doji. This week also a doji is visible. For major upside, if we talk about the major upside, so major upside is possible above 23,300 and 23,400. We can see a major upside in Nifty energy. Currently it is at 22,631. So the moment 23,300 या 23,400 निफ्टी एनर्जी के में क्रॉस होता है, वी कैन सी अ मेजर अपसाइड विद द सपोर्ट एट 21,800, 21,900. Nifty media, see, Nifty media is still at the support zone only. Not much stronger doji is there. I think maybe because of Sun TV or Zeal, they are the top contributors were in, I think, ban list. So that is why the stock was not, the sector has not performed much. So currently it is at support zone. 2150 is the support, currently at 2218. So if 2150, 2140 holds, we can see some kind of relief rally in Nifty media also. Nifty FMCG, see, same. It was at breakout retest zone. Retracement has been done. Double bottom formation been done last week. So now this week it has shown a upside. Now it is near the resistance, which is a breakout level also. If the breakout happens, if that resistance zone crosses, we can see more upside. The pattern formation is something similar to Nifty Pharma. Nifty FMCG is similar, forming the similar pattern of Nifty Pharma. After the breakout, we have seen the upside. Now the retracement is visible. Now it is forming a falling wedge pattern, जो Nifty Pharma के अंदर last week बना था. बट निफ्टी फार्मा में फॉर्मेशन हो चुका था, ब्रेकआउट हो चुका था. इसके अंदर अभी ब्रेकआउट होना बचा है. इफ Nifty FMCG closes any day above 37,800, we can see more upside in Nifty FMCG. बट 37,800 के ऊपर अगर सस्टेन होता है देन पॉसिबल वी कैन सी 39,400, 40,000, 41,000 एंड मोर with the support at 35,500, which is the major support zone for Nifty FMCG. Now next is Nifty Reality. Last week I have told same that ये भी अपने ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्टिंग जोन से अपने हैमर पैटर्न को इसने फॉर्म किया था, विच इज़ द बुलिश पैटर्न, जिसकी वजह से निफ्टी रियलिटी में अपसाइड होगा. एंड वी ऑल हैव सीन दैट लास्ट वीक all the Nifty reality stocks, DLF, Oberoi Realty, Godrej Property and etc. has performed well, and this sector has also performed decent. So this is still in a bullish zone, not at all bearish much. So only the resistance is visible at 505, 512 is the resistance for Nifty reality, with the support at 450, 440. Once 512 also crosses, the bulls will be in double power. Nifty PSU Bank. See, Nifty PSU Bank last week it was a decider. I told that Nifty PSU has closed at the support with the formation of pin bar, but it will be the decider week. So this was the decider week. We have seen a green candle, but not much strong. The formation is inside candle. So inside candle formation is not much stronger for bulls. So for bulls, Nifty PSU has to cross 2590 और 2600 क्लोजिंग बेसिस. सो जैसे ही 2590 और 2600 निफ्टी PSU बैंक में क्रॉस होता है, हमें और स्ट्रॉन्ग अपसाइड देखने को मिल सकेगी इस सेक्टर के अंदर. सपोर्ट जो इस सेक्टर के अंदर है अभी वो है 2400 का. 2400 के सपोर्ट के साथ वी कैन stay invested in PSU Bank also. Now the next is Nifty Financial Services. I have told that it has formed that it has closed at the support, or even you can say a breakout retest level, and formed a hammer pattern, pin bar pattern basically. So we have seen upside this week. Now this week we have seen an upside. Now 17,900, 18,000 is the next resistance for Nifty Financial Services. If it crosses, we can see more upside in the sector. So Nifty Financial Services also as of now in a bullish zone, with the support at 16,500, currently at 17,330. So almost I have shared all the sectors. लास्ट वीक की वीडियो में भी मैंने इन्हीं सब सेक्टर्स के ऊपर बात करी थी, और अब मैं इस वीक भी मैं इन्हीं सब सेक्टर्स पे आप लोगों को व्यू दिया है, सो दैट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक यू कैन प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड विश यू अ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, ग्रेट सक्सेस इन 2022. विश यू ऑल अ हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग. टेक केयर. मीट यू ऑल इन नेक्स्ट वीक. थैंक यू. बाय.